Hello everyone, today with MarketXLS we're going to talk about a popular guru strategy known as the Weiss Blue Chip Dividend Yield Screen. MarketXLS is one of the top Excel-based investment research solutions for investors. In this video, we'll be learning about what a Weiss Blue Chip Dividend Yield Screen is, how it works, when to use this screen, and how to screen stocks using MarketXLS. So without any further ado, let's start with the topic. This screen was first developed by the dividend detective Geraldine Weiss. The screen uses dividend yield as a valuation metric for stocks. According to the screen, the dividend yield of a blue chip company is an accurate recognition of the company's value. The screen focuses on 4 criteria: growth, quality, financial strength, and sentiment. There are specific parameters that a stock has to meet. As the name says, this screen works better on the blue chip stocks. MarketXLS offers a template for this screen. Here's the introduction page and here's the active template. The yellow cells have to be inputted by the user, so the stock ticker and the year under analysis. There are 7 parameters provided by the screen. The dividend should increase for 5 out of the past 12 years. The shares outstanding should be greater than 5 million. Earnings per share should increase for 7 out of the past 12 years. The company should have paid dividends for the past 25 years. The current ratio of the company should be greater than 2. The debt to equity ratio should be equal to or less than 0.5. And the dividend payout ratio should be less than or equal to 50%. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using Apple as the stock, and the current year as 2019. We can see that Apple fulfills all the parameters, except that it has a current ratio of 1.2, which is less than 2. And it didn't pay dividend for the past 25 years, and its debt to equity ratio is greater than 0.5. So as a result, the screen does not accept the stock. MarketXLS has many templates just like the blue chip dividend yield screen one you see here, and it refreshes all the data when you change the stock ticker. That is all for today. MarketXLS also has guru screen functions that filters through all stocks to get you the ones that fit in the criteria. If you want to read more about this topic, please visit the MarketXLS website, which has hundreds of blogs and templates. If you want to get in contact with us, please book a demo and we'll be happy to help.